Hi, this is the Xiaomi 13T and I'll show you how to scan QR codes with our device help. So we got two ways how we could do that. The first one, we should find the Tools app and find scanner icon. Click to always allow only once. Now we should place our QR code inside of the frame. So let's do this. Be sure that you're connected to the internet. Now we could see here the result. We could see the result and we could go to the website directly. And also we could make it by another way, just not from the home screen. Just open control panel and find here scanner icon, and by the same way place QR code inside of the frame and go to the website. So that's it. Thank you for watching, and if you like this video, leave thumbs up and subscribe our channel.